Hi, my name is Ellen Fairbank. My current hometown is Salisbury, North Carolina. We've lived here for 8 years. I was born and raised in southwestern New York, 60 miles south of Buffalo. When our children, all 9 of them, were raised and out of the home, we sold our home and moved to sunnier weather and less taxes. Something that's unique about me is that as a child, I disliked reading because it was hard for me. I never really read or enjoyed reading until I was an adult with children of my own. That is when I discovered the joy and wonder of reading. Today, I am an instructional assistant in one of our local elementary schools where I teach remedial reading to children in the 1st grade and 3rd grade. Can you imagine that? Someone who didn't like to read is teaching remedial reading. I hope that with this course, I will be able to help my students learn to love reading before they become adults. Some of my favorite books that I remember having teachers read to me, because I certainly didn't read them myself, were The Boxcar Children by Gertrude Warner, Junie B. Jones books by Barbara Parks, Love You Forever by Robert Munsch, I Was So Mad by Mercer Mayer, and Anne of Green Gables by Lucy Montgomery, Adventures of Huckleberry Finn by Mark Twain, Little House on the Prairie by Laura Ingalls Wilder, and Little Women by Louisa Alcott, The Call of the Wild by Jack London, and The Christmas Carol by Charles Dickinson. These are just a few of the books that I've learned to love as a child and as an adult, reading to my own children and sharing with the children at school. I hope you've enjoyed, and I hope to get to meet you.